out of here, bro. Hey, shut up, you motherfucker. 2 plus 2 is what word? A 4. 4 plus 4 is what word? A 8. 8 plus 8 is oh my, nigga. Keep on, but why? That's right. Do it. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. What is 4 plus 4? Put your fingers there. Put the 4 fingers. Where you put it? You see it. Just like when 3 times 2 equals right now, say 6. You best do that thing, so 9 plus 9 equals 18. You see that? One of them is multiplication.